If your Tesla app is stuck on the updating or checking for updates screen, it's usually due to issues with the app's communication with Tesla's servers during the over-the-air update process. This can occur during downloading, installation, or verification stages. Common causes include unstable network connections like Wi-Fi or cellular issues. App cache problems or conflicts with your device's operating system can also cause this. Finally, server overload on Tesla's end, especially during large firmware rollouts, can lead to these issues. Before troubleshooting the app, check your Tesla's touchscreen. It might display the actual update progress. Ensure your car has a stable network connection. A stable network is crucial for the app to sync correctly with the car and Tesla's servers. If on Wi-Fi, try switching to a 5G cellular connection or vice versa. Weak Wi-Fi, VPN interference, or ISP throttling can disrupt the update process. The first and often most effective solution is to reboot the Tesla app and your smartphone. Force close the Tesla app completely. Then, restart your phone. This clears temporary states and resolves potential app cache corruption or minor OS conflicts. After rebooting, reopen the app and check the update status again. 70% of users can resolve the issue via simple reboots. If rebooting the app and phone doesn't resolve the stuck update, start with advanced network troubleshooting. First, disable any VPN connection you might be using, as VPNs can interfere with the Tesla app's communication with Tesla's servers. Next, ensure your Wi-Fi connection is strong and stable. Weak signals or intermittent connectivity can cause the update process to get stuck during data transfer. Consider switching to a 5G cellular connection for better reliability. Cellular networks, especially 5G, can provide more stable connections for the large software update files. Check your internet speed with a speed test. Tesla recommends a minimum of 25 megabit per second for reliable updates. Slow connections can cause timeouts and stuck progress bars. A stable network is crucial for the app to communicate effectively with Tesla's servers during updates. Here's a visual flowchart of the troubleshooting process. Remember, network-related fixes resolve 85% of stuck update issues according to Tesla owner surveys. For more persistent stuck update issues, try clearing the Tesla app's data or cache on Android, or delete and reinstall the app on iOS and Android. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find the Tesla app, tap Storage, and clear cache or data. On iOS, press and hold the Tesla app icon on your home screen until it jiggles, then tap the Delete button to remove it. Then, go to the App Store and search for Tesla to download and install the app again. If the app continues to show the update as stuck, try a vehicle hard reset. To perform the reset, press and hold both the brake pedal and the steering wheel buttons or power buttons simultaneously. Hold them until the Tesla touchscreen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. This can resolve deeper connectivity issues between the car and the app. Note that this does not erase any of your settings. For persistent Tesla app update issues, consider Tesla's diagnostic mode. This advanced method can bypass the app by accessing the vehicle's internal menu. On your car's touchscreen, navigate to Settings, then Service, and select Factory Mode. This allows direct control over software updates without relying on the mobile app. Another alternative is Tesla's web portal, which supports direct-to-car protocols. Visit Tesla.com and log into your account. From there, you can check for software updates and initiate them directly, bypassing the mobile app entirely. This method is becoming more reliable and is expected to be the standard for seamless updates in the future. Looking ahead, Tesla aims for seamless updates by 2026, incorporating proactive app diagnostics powered by AI to automatically resolve stuck update statuses. To avoid update congestion during peak times, update your Tesla during off-peak hours, and ensure both your vehicle and app maintain a stable network connection. Future projections indicate a 50% reduction in app update issues by 2027, thanks to AI-assisted troubleshooting and improved firmware modularity.